guys, so welcome back to my channel. I do have my lip gloss inventory haul. Okay, I am so excited, you guys. I have been waiting for this, this time to start my lip gloss business, so it's finally here. But I do want to go ahead and share with you guys my tubes, because my tubes is something I feel like a lot of people are going to ask me where I got it from, and it's Alibaba.com. In case you guys are not familiar with Alibaba.com, they are the largest e-commerce marketplace out there, and I will say with them having over 40 categories, it makes it very easy to start your business because they do have a lot of things to choose from. Whether you want to start your candle business, your shoe business, your clothing business, or your makeup business, it doesn't matter. They do have something for you. So with that being said, I do have custom tubes, as y'all can see. My logo is in white, so you probably can't really see it that well. So of course with me, I did want to go ahead and get custom tubes. So all I did was go on Alibaba.com and search for lip gloss tubes, and I saw so many suppliers and manufacturers on there. The best part about Alibaba.com is they're all verified, so they are licensed to sell to you guys, and you don't have to sit here and worry about, is this person legit or not. They are legit, they're real, and they can go ahead and sell to you guys. Now before I go ahead and confirm that I want to work with somebody, what I do is I click on their profile, and I see all their photos, their videos, their reviews. I just like to see everything because I want to make sure that people who've worked with them before love the items they got from them, and also see how well they communicate as well. That is super important to me, because if I do run out of inventory, I want to make sure that my supplier is very easy to work with, gets it to me right away, so I can go ahead and sell to you guys as well. Now before you go ahead and do all of that, I do want to recommend samples. Go ahead and get you a sample. For my tubes, I make sure I got a sample because I want to see how big the lip gloss tubes are, how much product I need for the tubes, the quality, all of that. I just want to make sure it was really good before I went ahead and placed my order. Now when I went ahead and confirmed that I love the tubes, I contacted my supplier again, said, hey, I love the tubes, let's go ahead and do this. I sent them my logo, and they put it on the tubes, and it was pretty much easy moving forward, you guys, because they are very fast. They work with so many business owners out there, so they know what to, basically create for you. Like, they know what to do. All you have to do is supply the items, and it's pretty much easy from there moving forward. So the best part about it as well is they do offer high quality products at an affordable price. Alibaba.com has so many suppliers, like I told you guys initially. So with that being said, I did get over 200 lip gloss tubes. You guys know if I was to go anywhere else to get this manufactured, it would be so much money. But with Alibaba.com, you guys, the price was right. Okay, I was shocked. I was like, 200 lip gloss tubes for that price? Like, go ahead and get me 300, 400, like, just go ahead and get me a lot, all right? Because I was just really impressed with the price. I mean, you guys know I'm a small business owner, so I do want to save as much as possible. So if I can go ahead and save on packaging and all of that, it just makes me really happy. And the best part as well is they do have trade assurance. So if you go ahead and get your products and you're not too happy with them, or something went wrong along the way, you do have the opportunity to get your money back. So that just makes me feel a lot better with working with people all over the world, you guys. So I highly recommend them. But with all that being said, I do hope I helped you guys, because I know the biggest thing when it comes to your lip gloss business is your tubes. You want to make sure your tubes are great quality and all of that, so I gave you guys a great source for that. But with that being said, I want to go ahead and touch base on the inventory behind me, as y'all can see. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I went ahead and closed the window behind me because it was a little bit too bright, I felt like. So yeah, I just want to make sure you guys can see the products that I'm showing you guys. The first one I do have is this big bin, as y'all can see. This is from the dollar store, and I do have two. So this is what they look like, but I use these to wash my tubes, you guys, because you want to make sure you're sanitizing your tubes, okay? When you first get them, they're not clean. You want to make sure that you're getting all the bacteria out. So I do go ahead and wash my tubes in these big bins. And I love this because it fits so much in here, and this was only like $1 at the dollar store. So yeah, go ahead and save y'all money. But I did have two of these, but to also wash my tubes as well, and the stoppers, I did get these 3 bins from Amazon.com. I thought these would be a lot bigger, you guys, but these are actually a little bit smaller than I thought. Let me show you guys. So this is what they look like, and they're almost as big as my head. Okay, so y'all can tell it is not that big, but at the same time you can use it for a couple items in here, like a couple tubes, or just the stoppers themselves. Because the stoppers are a little bit smaller, I prefer to use this, because that way I can make sure they're all, not getting lost, if you know what I mean, because with the bigger ones it kind of floats around everywhere and you can lose a couple of them, but with the smaller one it's easier to control. So I do have 3 of these from Amazon. So when it comes to washing my tubes, I do use 2 items. The first one is a palm olive antibacterial soap, and I got this big one from Target. It is huge and I don't think I paid that much for it. It's pretty much affordable, but with this it does kill 99% of bacteria, so I love that. I just go ahead and put this all over the tubes, put some hot water, and then you know it's pretty much set from there on. But yeah, I did go ahead and get this big one because I am going to be washing a lot of tubes, so I want to make sure you know I get my money's worth. But then alongside that I do use a 70% isopropyl alcohol, if I said that correctly, but this helps to really just clean everything and sanitize everything. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen this before, so it's nothing new, but it's really nice in terms of like making sure it's squeaky clean. So like I told you guys, I go ahead and mix these 2 together, run some hot water, and then I'm pretty much good to go. So the next item I actually got from Target, and these are drying mats. So basically what you do with this is you go ahead and grab your tubes after you wash them and you place them upside down on the mat to let it dry. So I really like that because with this one specifically, it allows for the water to run out. That way you can make sure that your tubes or whatever you're placing on here, you know, dries over time. But what I actually do is I go ahead and get some paper towels, you guys, and place them all over the mat because I want to make sure that the water is being soaked into the paper towel itself, because this is plastic as well. So I don't know, for some reason I just think, you know, putting a paper towel kind of helps it a little bit more. I don't know, maybe it's just the way I think, but that's what I do. So I did go ahead and get 2 of these. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but it probably wasn't that expensive. But then again, it's Target. You guys know how Target is. So yes, I have 2 for now, but eventually I will get more. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this big box from Amazon. I have random items in here. Some are from Amazon, but I just threw a bunch in here, you guys, just being honest. So in here, let's see, the first that I do have is the Easy Life stainless steel measuring spoons. So with this, it comes with several spoons in here. It has a tablespoon, a half a tablespoon, teaspoon, and then also a half, fourth, and 1/8 teaspoon. So this is what it looks like, and I know some people don't measure their lip gloss, but for me, you guys, I want to make sure I'm producing the same consistency every time. So I like to measure, but I know everybody out there is different. Now I don't have the spoons to show you guys because I already went ahead and used it. So currently right now it is drying, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what a tablespoon and teaspoon look like. But yeah, I got this from Amazon. So these next items are spoons. I do have 4 of these, and they're called the Spoons by Spoons Color, if I'm saying that correctly. I got 2 sets of 2, but with these, they're very sturdy, you guys, because when I was making samples for myself, I kept using plastic spoons and they kept breaking every single time. So I was like, all right, if I'm making a small sample and they're breaking, just imagine a bigger sample. Okay, so with this one, it's very sturdy. I feel like it will last a long time, and they feel pretty durable, so these should be pretty much, you know, good to go. The next one I do have as well is this bubble pouch. I got 4 by 7.5, 50 bags. I got the wrong size, just being honest with you guys, but it is what it is. But this is what it looks like, as y'all can see. I got these for my mini lip glosses because they do have a pouch they go in, which I will show you guys in a little bit, but I want to put them in here and then close it up, and it would just be so cute and adorable. So I got 50 of these. Next time I will get the right sizing because this is a little bit awkward how it's, you know, laid out, but it still should work for now. So before I go ahead and show you guys this next item, I do want to point out that I have a bunch of my lip gloss inventory back there in my mini office. So I will take you guys over there in a little bit to show you guys the rest of the items, but these are just what I, you know, recently picked up. I do have this, let's see, what is this called? I do have some syringes, but I got the mini version. These are 10 packs of 20 milliliters plastic syringes. So let me open one of them up to show you guys the sizing. So the sun keeps going in and out, you guys, so I'm really sorry, but basically I use this small, you know, disposable syringe for my personal use because I don't want to use the bigger ones and waste a lot of money, if that makes sense. So these are a little bit smaller for personal use, and they're only 20 ml like I mentioned, so I really do appreciate that. And I got a pack of 10 for about, I think, $6 or something like that. It was really affordable on Amazon. So that's that one. Now the next one I do have is from Dollar Tree. I'm telling you guys, when it comes to your bowls or spoons, go to Dollar Tree. They have so many good things in there. So in here, I actually got a couple bowls because these were so small and cute, you know, for the amount that I make for my lip glosses. So I got a couple of them. The first one I did get is this small bowl. Y'all can see how small that is. But this is the perfect size for mixing the amounts I need of each color, and I just thought it was so cute and adorable how small it was. So I got about 4 of these, and they're only $1 each, you guys, because I saw a couple on Amazon and they were still pretty affordable, but it was a little bit more expensive compared to the Dollar Tree one. So I'm kind of mad that I saw these, you know, recently, but it is what it is. And I also got these smaller bowls. Like, look at how cute these are. These are so stinking cute. But these are actually for my oils. When I mix the oils and the pigments together, I put them in the smaller bowl and then I dump it onto the Versagel that's in this bigger bowl. So yeah, these are so cute, you guys, and it's a pack of 4. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the Dollar Tree and get some more, but yeah, highly recommend them. I'm about to show you guys the other bowls that I did get from Amazon, which were a little bit more expensive, but either way, they're still pretty affordable. Let me grab these bowls from Amazon. These are called the Pyrex Prepwear 3-piece bowls, and these are clear. So I'm gonna get them out for you guys so I can show you guys different sizes I got in here. So I did get a small one, all right, just in case, because this is perfect for what I need. So I have a small one, and then also I have a medium size bowl as well. Y'all can see the size of these two next to each other. Now I also have a really big bowl when I start to make a lot of lip gloss, so I also got this one just in case, so y'all can see how big this one is. I really don't need this right now. It's a little bit too big for what I need, but moving on in the future, hopefully as we grow, I will have to make a lot of them. So y'all can see, and I actually got about 2 of these, sets of these, and I can't remember how much I paid, but I don't think it was anything crazy. Or I hope it wasn't crazy, but I will make sure to let you guys know the name down below. So remember I told you guys I'm also making mini lip glosses as well. So I have these small pouches. Hopefully it's focusing on camera, but this is what they look like. I got these through Alibaba.com. To be honest with you guys, they were supposed to be a lot bigger, but I measured incorrectly, so this is what I'm stuck with. So I can fit 2 mini ones in here. So because my mini lip glosses are coming as a set of 6, I'm just gonna put 2 in each and then put all 3 of these in the bubble pouch that I showed you earlier. So this will work for now, but they're super cute, you guys. Like, I'm obsessed with this, and I got a whole bunch of them. So the last thing I do want to share with you guys before I move you guys over there to the other side to show you the rest of the inventory, I want to share with you guys these stickers that I picked up from Avery.com. I like to print my own stickers because it's easier to make them at home instead of having them, you know, create them for you, because it will cost a lot of money. So if you print it at home, it's a little bit cheaper. So I got a couple sizes. The first one I do have is the 10 sheets of 480 labels of glossy white paper, and this is for the actual lip gloss box themselves. So let me open this up for you guys. I was actually going to show you guys what they look like on the inside, but it probably doesn't matter. I just need to tell you guys the sizes because it's just going to be a blank white piece of paper. So I got the half a diameter of glossy white paper for my lip liners, which are coming in a little bit, so this one doesn't matter right now. But the 1-inch diameter round labels, the glossy white paper, this is for the top of my lip gloss boxes because I want to label all of them. I'm gonna actually have it colored as well, so it's gonna be really cute on top of the boxes. And then for the actual tubes themselves, I did get the 1/2 inch diameter round labels. This is a glossy clear film, so this one's a little bit different. I wanted a clear one for the bottom of the lip glosses, so I'm gonna use it for the big ones and the minis as well. They both kind of, you know, look good with that. So I got 3 different sheets of stickers. So y'all can see the lip gloss tubes in there, but I already went ahead and washed all of them, so they're super clean. I'm just ready to go ahead and fill them with lip gloss, so that's over there. And then from there, I do have my measuring cups, as y'all can see. These are currently drying right now, but these were the spoons I was talking about earlier that I got from Amazon. But then I also have these spoons as well from TKB Trading. I just got 2 different ones because sometimes, you know, it's just easier to have 2 than just 1. So moving on over here is where I have most of my inventory when it comes to my lip glosses. So I'm going to show you guys a couple things. Number one is the oils. So I have a bunch of oils in here. I believe I have, let me move over a little bit, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and then also jojoba oil. So I have a bunch of oils because I want to make sure the consistency is right, and also the more oils you have, it's just very moisturizing on the lips. So I have all of those, and I got these from Amazon. Now over here you guys can see all the pigments that I do have. These are from TKB Trade-In. I'm sure you guys are very, you know, known with that brand, but they have so many pigments that you can use. I have brown, I have white, I have yellow, orange, pink, anything you can think of I have in here. So these are all from TKB Trade-In. So over here I do have my flavoring oils from Get Suckered, as y'all can see, but these are super nice, you guys. I have tried a bunch out there, but these are my favorites. They just smell really good and they're just really potent, so a little bit goes a long way. And then over here I do have my 3.5 pounds of Versagel. This is what it looks like. I probably need to get more before the launch, but I think this one should be good enough for now. But I will say with Versagel, a little bit goes a long way, so I feel like this should be fine for now. Now moving on to the bottom, I do have my gloves. I feel like you need gloves for everything, whether it's packaging your orders, making lip glosses, you just need gloves. So y'all can see I have powder-free gloves just because you don't know what people are allergic to out there, so it's always nice to have that. So moving on over, I do have these mini lip gloss tubes. I got these from Amazon and they're super affordable, but the reason why I got them is because obviously when I make lip glosses for myself or I want to try and create a different color, I just want to test them out. So I love having these for samples and then, you know, also give them to friends to try as well. So I have that, and then I do have this 20-piece pipettes as well. I probably need to get more pipettes, but I got these from Amazon. Honestly, you guys, I got a lot of things from Amazon, but these have about 20 in them, and I feel like with this it's really nice because of course it's what helps you get your lip glosses in the tubes. But yeah, you guys know what that is. Now moving on over, I do have these syringes. These are the 60 milliliter syringes, and y'all can see how much bigger these ones are compared to the 20 mLs that I showed you earlier. So that's why I don't want to go ahead and use these for my personal use or my samples, because like it's just a waste of money. So I have about, I believe, I want to say 10 of these in here. Of course, I need to get more eventually, but this should be fine for now. And then I always have paper towels. And then last but not least, I have my Lysol wipes. So this is what I have mostly for my inventory, you guys, for making my lip glosses and all of that. I just store them in here. All right, you guys, so that's it for my lip gloss inventory haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really nice sharing with you guys all the stuff I picked up, so get excited. But yeah, with that being said, let me know down below if you have any questions. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.